my way to the peak solo. Everyone else is at camp, so hopefully I'm back before nightfall. But we do get some nice views up here, that's for sure. Gorgeous. I don't know if you can beat this. So beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Uh-oh, don't bring me down, trail, bring me up. Oh, wow. Oh, this is beautiful. But I would not want to do this trail at night. Gorgeous. Ah, darn. Looks like this is the false peak. And that, I have a suspicious feeling, that is also a false peak. But at least we get some nice views on this adventure. I've seen one goat so far. Kind of hoping I find the other one. I'd like to take some grouse back for dinner, but I've only seen one so far. It's going good, team, going good. Wow. That, holy bananas, that is gorgeous. Whew, no grouse or no goat that I see yet, but breakthrough. 4 hours, 31 minutes, 6.4K, almost 2875 feet climbed. Oh crap. I don't know where this mountain ends, but I do see trail way down there, so I'm gonna say we got a long way to the end. I don't know if it's way up there with the snow. Like, you can see some trails in there, but it's a lot. I will not have time for that today, but whew. Well, looks like I took the wrong trail. I guess we're just gonna have to go find that one over there on that mountain. We'll try and go all the way to the peak of that, and then we should be there by like 5:30. So that puts us at like 45 minutes, and then the sun's gonna be getting close, so then we'll head back down, and then we should be back to camp hopefully by 8 o'clock before it gets like actually dark, and go from there. Good times. All right, my last peak before I turn around and go back to camp, and the views with it. Oh man. Well, certainly getting a lot steeper. The mesquites are pretty bad now. They're getting me quite a bit, but we're almost there, almost to the top of this peak. I guess we're past hiking, and now we're just gonna scale up these rocks. I guess. I don't really see any other options, so scale up. Here we go. Ooh, that was close. That would have sucked. That would have really hurt too. Just under 5 hours, a little over 7K, 3,070 feet up. Now I can't remember if it was this peak I said I'd stop at, or is it really that peak? Because it was supposed to be that peak over there, but it's too nice out. Whew. Heart rate's cruising like 180. Beauty. Just another peak, right? Just another peak. Okay, we're back on like a real walking-ish trail. Kind of looks like it goes there and then back up, but holy crap, man, we've made some distance today. Yeah, this peak, then we turn around. I mean, that's what I said about the last two peaks, but this one, and then that. Woo. Well, high road or low road, I think the high road was slightly easier, just more repercussions. Ah, mesquites on the back. Oh, maybe this is the trail? Or is that the trail? Fudge, it all looks like trail up here. That's the hard part, but I think we're gonna go in the bush because it looks less rocky. If I slip, at least I land in bush and not rock. Here's the thing with climbing mountains. It's just one false peak after the next, only to lead yourself to another false peak, and it's like, oh, I could go there. Like it's literally like 10 minutes to get to that one, but I'm gonna get to that one, and then the next peak's just gonna be another 10 minutes away. Oh, we're pretty dang high. And that, I don't know if you can see it on video, that blue lake down there, that looks mighty fine. Absolutely great. Woo! We did it. This is amazing. Freaking amazing. I couldn't ask for anything better right now. Other than maybe some companions hiking with me. But you know. Alright, well now we have the unfortunate part. As if you go up, you gotta go back down. And I really quite dislike going down because, you know, down just it's hard on the body. We'll do it. Hopefully we make it to camp under 2 hours. Right now we're at 5 hours, 8 minutes, 7.2K and 3,171 feet climbed. And now we're gonna try and go back to camp at least. Coming up, I went through the bush. And I can be honest and say the bush is not the proper way to go up the trail. But now that I'm doing the rock, the bush kind of looks, you know, a little bit better and probably a little safer. Especially because this is slippery as bananas. This is very, very sketchy. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Ooh. Oh, rock, rock, rock. Those out of the way, try and get something stable on me. These bugs are driving me bananas. But as long as we... Ooh, that's a nice stable boulder. Ooh, I know what I'm gonna do. Oh, yeah. I should have got a better angle. All right, Mr. Tyrone, this one's for you, buddy. Yeah. Look at it go. Oh man, it stopped. Oh man, we were so close. All right, round 3. Come on. Oh god, this one. Momentum. Momentum is key. Momentum is key. Yes. Come on. Keep going. Oh yeah, look at it go. Yes. Oh yes. That is so good. Oh, look at that airtime. Man. Wow, going down is always the worst. You look at the trail and you're like, I don't think I want this. This can't possibly be the way I came up, but lo and behold, it still is, unfortunately. Low and slow, low and slow. All right, round 4. I hope this one works a little better. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. No, 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 keep going, keep going. Oh yeah, get that momentum. Oh, look at her go. Whee! Glorious. It smells good too. You know, this is where people are going to start asking, why did it take you so long to get, you know, back down the mountain? You were so quick going up. Oh, come on. Really? Yes. Go, my rock, go. Oh, man, I could do this all day. Oh, we can't even see it anymore. I can hear it. Come on. Oh, there she is. Up and over. Aw. Well, the sun is starting to come down. I'm wearing my nice bug net. No more bugs for me. But we're getting there. Well, we're really beginning the ascent back into the valley now, and camp is just like that way, and then a hard left, and then I think another like kilometer or so down, and then we'll be back at camp with the crew, ready to figure out if tomorrow we go up or all back down. Who knows? There's like else over there, and Kitimat's like way that way. Close. We're almost there. Almost home. Almost back to civilization. 8.88 kilometers. 6 hours, 7 minutes. 3,443 feet up. And it's looking like 6:20ish right now. We're doing good. I think camp is just over this ridge. Right over that hill. I think that'll be where they'll be. Oh, we're still hunting for the deer though. Look at them down there. They're like ants. Oh, it's nice to see our little camping spot has some sunshine though still. It probably won't by the time I get there, but you know. Still no grouse. and still no goat. Here's the hope. I think this is like trail. And it's a nice little fish area. Slightly grown in a wee bitch. Just a wee little. But otherwise it's not so bad. It's been proving to be a real nice hike so far. There we go. The last good hill, I think. Terrace. Look, birdie stick. Blueberries. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, look. Ooh, look, a piece of candy. Well, we pretty much made it back to camp. Well, team, we pretty much made it back to camp. We were 6.5 hours in, 2,443 feet climbed, and 9.53 kilometers. We've done it. Oh, hiking back down to the Alpine, the best part. It's too good. Way too good. There we go, another beautiful viewpoint that you can't really see very good on video. Excellent. Oh, we did it. That's the trailhead. 4,382 feet climbed, 10 hours, 24 minutes, 14.95k. Then follows the viewpoint. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. We made it. 10 hours, 43 minutes, 25 seconds. Distance of 16.28 kilometers. And 4,382 feet wide.